Right now with today's high gas prices, I don't have the extra money to just throw away. I wouldn't expect anyone else to. Maintaining that proper air pressure in your tire is so critical. If you get tires that are aftermarket, go by the tire manufacturer's specs. That's gonna be the best thing you can do possible. Too low of an air pressure, you're gonna run down on the sidewalls and it's gonna make them tires vulnerable to blow. The ideal pressure of air in our tires, that's gonna do a couple things for us, okay? It's gonna keep us off the sidewalls. And you don't wanna overinflate though, because if you overinflate, the tire is gonna do like an O. You're gonna get just the wear right in the center of the tire. Keep it at that optimum pressure. That's gonna increase your miles per gallon. That's gonna give you some extended life in those tires too. Not to mention the fact that if you do rotations and balances regularly, like at the regular service interval, you're gonna get the most out of your tire. A person that doesn't take care of their tires to someone who does take care of their tires, this person over here that takes care of those tires, they're gonna get about 5,000 to 10,000 more miles out of those tires than this person over here that said, nah, I'll get it next time. You can tell someone who gets rotations, balances, stuff like that, these tires, it's not uncommon for someone to get 30,000, 40,000 miles out of a set of tires if they take care of them. So that's another big one. You know, tires aren't cheap. Getting them installed is not cheap. The little maintenance here and there, that's gonna keep those tires good. It's gonna keep your MPGs good. And overall, just keep your car happy.